Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play American Truck Simulator on a Chromebook. Many people think Chromebooks aren't for gaming, but with cloud gaming, that's no longer true. You can stream high-quality PC games, including American Truck Simulator, directly to your Chromebook. This means the heavy lifting is done by powerful remote servers, and the gameplay is streamed to your device, much like watching a video. All you need is a good internet connection to get started. Several excellent cloud gaming services support American Truck Simulator. NVIDIA GeForce Now is a popular choice, letting you play your purchased games with impressive graphics. Boosteroid also provides access to a vast game library, making it easy to jump into your favorite titles. For those seeking maximum control, Shadow PC gives you a complete virtual Windows computer, offering the most versatile cloud gaming experience on your Chromebook. To ensure a smooth trucking experience, a few technical considerations are key. First, a robust internet connection is crucial. Aim for at least 25 megabits per second. Your Chromebook should also have a minimum of 4 gigabytes of RAM to run the cloud gaming client effectively. For the best control in American Truck Simulator, it's highly recommended to use a traditional mouse and keyboard, as many cloud services do not fully support game controllers for this title. Once you're set up, you can optimize your trucking adventures. Start by adjusting the in-game graphics settings to suit your internet speed and Chromebook's display. For the most stable connection, try connecting to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, or, even better, use an Ethernet cable. Don't forget to explore the streaming quality options within your chosen cloud gaming service to fine-tune your visual experience and ensure responsive, lag-free gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.